Hi, it's Stephen here from the Little Geranium in La Cala, giving you my top 10 Christmas tips for a professional but home-cooked Christmas dinner, some of which can be prepared in advance. With a little pre-planning, the chaos can be ghost of Christmas past. There are plenty of elements of your Christmas dinner that can be prepared days, if not weeks ahead. So today's tip is the turkey gravy. Now you can make the most delicious Christmas turkey gravy long before the main event. Simply freeze it in a container and defrost it on the day. You can then add the juices from your roasted Christmas turkey at the last moment just before serving it. It's easy to make. You'll need some vegetables, carrots, onions, garlic, leek, celery, and you sweat all that off. And a little bit of colour, and then you add some chicken wings or some chicken legs. Now the reason chicken is because we haven't got the turkey, this is in advance, so I want some poultry flavour in there. And at that point, when you've got the wings or the legs, or both if you like, in the pot, you then add some turkey stock or chicken stock you can get from your butcher. You'll need about a litre to go with quite a lot of vegetables. And at this point you bring it to the boil, and when it's boiling you can skim it just to take the bits and pieces off at the top. And then when you've done that, turn it down to a simmer, and you simmer it for about an hour and a half. Now after that time, you just simply pass it through a sieve and either freeze it or keep it in the fridge for a week or so. So you can do it a week before Christmas, or you could do it now. On Christmas Day itself, you'll need to reduce the sauce down and add some turkey juices from the cooking bird and some white wine. Now make sure you add a good amount of white wine in there, and get a glass yourself and have a glass because you deserve it. It's Christmas after all.